Holy shit, guys. Where is it?
40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
This came out of the blue. This came out of nowhere.
Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Boonville, Pilot Road, Bunston, Fleming, and Clifton City. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between mile markers 86 and 100. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties. In Missouri, Cooper and Pettis.